Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into the concept of percent error, how to calculate it, and its significance in various contexts. I'll also provide Python code examples to illustrate the calculations. Understanding percent error, bridging the gap between reality and expectation. Percent error is a vital metric used to quantify the discrepancy between an experimental or measured value and a theoretical, accepted, or true value. In simpler terms, it tells you how much your result deviates from what you expected or what is known to be correct, expressed as a percentage. It's a common tool in scientific experiments, engineering analyses, financial forecasts, and any situation where you're comparing observations to established standards. Why use percent error? Quantifies accuracy. It provides a clear, numerical indication of how accurate your experiment, measurement, or calculation is. Comparative analysis. It allows you to compare the accuracy of different experiments or methods, even if the absolute magnitudes of the values involved are different. A smaller percent error generally indicates higher accuracy. Error analysis. It helps identify potential sources of error.